Looks like the audio's coming through pretty good. How's everyone doing today? How's everyone doing? Looks like we're getting a full 60 frames per second right now. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice for the stream PC. If you're new here, make sure to go retweet the stream on Twitter right now. We're live on Twitter right now. Make sure to go retweet, please. I'd highly appreciate it. Thank you. Planning on having a longer stream today, which is why I'm making sure I got everything dialed in before we get going here. We're going to be kicking off the week strong. We're going to be getting started real soon here, guys. Real soon. Just making sure everything's dialed in before we get started. Longer stream today during market hours. Usually, we're night owls, doing things in the middle of the night, doing more international things. Today, we're going to take a look at more domestic stocks, and we're going to be taking recommendations from people in chat. Feel free to recommend a stock you would like to see talked about throughout this stream at any period of time. If you're new here, again, make sure to check out my website right there, ethanwrenn.com. From there, you can find links to all my socials, as well as check out some clothing items that are available if you'd like to support the stream. That's the best way to do so. We don't run ads around here, so feel free to check that out. I'd highly appreciate it. Also, the best way to get a hold of me is in the Discord, so if you ever want to ask any questions, get more one-on-one advice, as you'll see probably throughout the stream, I'm going to reference our Discord a couple times for some of the tickers that we've been talking about over the past week or so here. So just give me a few more minutes. We're going to get this dialed in and going. Okay, let's kick things off. Again, my name's Ethan. Feel free to check out my website, ethanwrenn.com. You can find all my socials there. Let's get started for the day. Man, it's hard to believe we ran this whole lap in bonds here. This is the 10-year. I preference the 30-year. Let's take a look at that. Sorry, I keep using wrong keyboard. If you're new here, I use like a variety of different computers and VMs and I have multiple keyboards in front of me, and sometimes I get them confused. No, that's not what we're looking for. There we go. Interesting. Past 2 weeks, we've seen strength in both ticket price and yield simultaneously on bonds. That's not common. Typically, you see an inverse relationship. Oh, well, maybe the past 2 weeks, I guess, have reflected that. On the weekly, the yields are kind of hitting that 180 moving average as a resistance, which has shown to be a resistance time and time again. Again, if there's any in particular tickers you guys would like to see at any time, feel free to ask, and I'll put them on the screen. I'll let you know my 2 cents. I'd like to hit bonds again, but I'm waiting for the ticket price to hit that $90 price point again, like it did earlier in the year. What else is fun? Let's see what's wrong keyboard again. Let's see what's moving in the NASDAQ.